Monday is a work management tool for managing any project, tasks, and workflow. It is a fast growing application or software currently being used by millions of people around the world. So let me show you what is monday.com. So if you see here, monday.com is having variety of features here. So let me first of all show you what this platform is all about. So the platform is built for a way or for a new way of working. So whether you are doing a creative and design work, the software development or marketing or even project management, sales or CRM, task management, HR, operations, and a lot more. So you can do various kind of work using this particular platform. And if you see here, various companies are using it. These are some of the uh, clients which they have 152,000 plus customers are available worldwide with of course millions of users. So if I talk about the products, you can see here it is good for the work management, which includes project task management, client projects, goal and OKRs, and then workload management, operations process, and request management. Similarly, you can see various other use cases are available here. Depending upon which use case you have, you can choose it for that purpose. And of course, here, if I talk about CRM, so it has for the from the lead generation to the opportunity, you can have a complete tracking of your sales pipeline, contact management, and then it can synchronize with your emails so that you can track the emails directly within the monday.com. And a lead management will help you to centralized to have a management of all your leads in a centralized platform. And of course, there is for the development also, in case you are using agile development or any development methodology. So sprint management and roadmap planning, bug tracking. This is good for the software development if you are a software developer or your company is doing the software development. So here you can see here teams. So if you want to manage various functions within your company, be it marketing, sales, project management office, or product development, operations, IT, HR. So this software is good for all of them. If you talk about the company size, it is good for any size of the company, be it an SMB, enterprise, or non-profit organization. So it's enough about it. I'll just first of all take you through the software and I'll show you how we can get started. You simply need to get started here. The moment you click on get started, I'll just show you. So once you click on get started, all you will get is to sign up for free. So you'll sign up for free, continue here. Once you continue, you will get the email, or you can even sign up using your Google account as well. So we'll not be going for that. I'll just log in with it. And now you can see here, once I sign up, I'll get the account details here. Of course, I have already given the user ID and password. Now I can give here the account name and agree to the terms and conditions and continue. Now you want to use it for what purpose, whether work, personal, school, or non-profit. I'll be clicking on personal for the time being, and you can use, of course, for work. So I'll be choosing here what is the category, what are you willing to manage. So I'll be talking about product management. Anything I can choose, or more you choose it from here. I'll just choose IT for the time being. And what you want to use is the project management. Next, and then what do you need to help with? I'll manage the projects. I'll need to manage the team tasks and routine processes, project portfolio, whatever you are using, request for the approval and all of that. Continue. And how did you hear about this? Of course, heard it from various platforms. So I can choose anything from here. And now our sign up process has completed. I just wait for this to redirect to the final page. Now you can see here amjad-company.monday.com. This is my profile right now, or my company's profile. If you have company's name, so the company name will be coming here, so depending upon what you are using for. And once you are signed in and once your page is set up, it will take some time to set up your company. And now you can, of course, ask the people to join your team. Now, for example, if your email, if your domain is already there, so depending upon your domain, you can ask the users to sign up so that they can collaborate. So I can remind it later. Right now, of course, I just want to take you to the dashboard. And here is my, I'll just mention Sync test one. So I'll create this work first project or plan or pipeline, whatever you name it. If it is your project, so you'll name it as a project. And here is what you want to manage. You want to manage tasks, projects, or custom. So I'll just click on projects. So you can see here, it will show you multiple projects here. If I click task here, so it will show multiple tasks. If I click on leads, for example, so it will show me multiple leads. So depending upon what you want to manage, in case I want to manage tasks, so I will click task and next. And what is the way you want to, what is the interface or what is the layout you want to have? I'm comfortable with Kanban because it will help me to drag and drop my tasks easily to the place where I want to have. Of course, Kanban is most popular in the agile project management methodologies. So you can also use Gantt chart, which is the timeline based approach, or based on the Gantt chart you can see which task is which task comes first and which task comes later. So depending upon your comfortable interface or your comfortable layout, you'll be using it. You can use it simple as a table also. You can use it in a calendar view, or you can use it in a timeline view, or you can use in a Gantt chart or card view or Kanban view. I'll be using Kanban view. Next. Now first task name. So you will be giving task name. This is initially you can set it up. For example, initiation, or I'll must here prepare the plan, execute the task, close out. So depending upon how you are willing to do, so you can see here. So currently where you are working on, and if I see the Kanban view now, you can see that I can switch the tasks. I can just drag and drop, and depending upon how you want to manage it, I can add multiple tasks. For example, we are working on it. This is done, and this is here where we are stuck. So if, for example, I'm working on something, so I'll mention here working. Here will be ABC. There will be 1, 2, 3. So whatever tasks you are working on, so these tasks will be here, and the moment tasks are completed, so you'll be moving those tasks to done here. You can see here done. And who is the owner of this? If you have the people working around, working on your project, so you'll just add their names and you can assign this task to them. So they'll be able to do it. And sub items, if these items are having this particular task has multiple tasks related to this or associated with this, so you can mention those tasks as a sub items, and those all you'll be adding it here. And then, of course, you have other views also. If you see here, if in case you want to see the inbox, all the emails or all the messages that will be coming to you, these will be coming here. And if you see your work, whatever tasks are related to you, all the tasks will be coming here. So past dates and new dates, all of them will be coming. You can see here, Sync Bricks Test 1. I can go directly from here and it will open that particular board for me. And here, this is your dashboard. So work management default dashboard is here. Now you can add multiple, of course, or you can rename, you can duplicate this. And if in case you have completed this particular project and you want to duplicate and manage a new project, you can do that as well. So this is quite user friendly and interactive interface. You can add multiple members by inviting them here. And you can, of course, get the notifications also if anyone is assigning you any tasks or anyone has mentioned you in any way. So you can do that as well. Whatever tasks are assigned to you, you can see here. Click here, you will see all the tasks which are assigned to you. So right now, nothing is here, and that's the reason it doesn't appear. And simply, you can create all the boards here or workboards here, and then you can manage with the help of your team. It's very user friendly. Performance is very good. It's very fast. It doesn't take much time to understand. And of course, when you talk about integration, it can integrate with Slack, it can integrate with your Google Workspace, and various other integrations are there. You can see here, these are what when the status is changed, what you have, what it does. All of this can be done here. Board integration, So you can integrate the board with your Office 365 or Google Workspace or Slack for your notifications. And you can add a new integration if you have already done it. You can see here. These are the integrations which are available. Of course, default integrations were there, but you can integrate with MailChimp for the email marketing campaigns, Dropbox for storing the files, Outlook calendar, and if you're creating any tasks, so it will automatically be integrated to your Outlook calendar, LinkedIn, Everbright, wherever you want to integrate it with. So these are some of the apps featured, as I mentioned earlier, also Slack, even Zoom for the meeting and all of that. So it has vast integration with a variety of applications. If you see CRM, so it has integration with Copper and Twilio CRM. If you see in which finance applications it is linked to, so Stripe, which is very popular for the payments, payment gateway, popular payment gateway online, so you can integrate with that. E-commerce platforms, so if you see, it is integrated with Everbright, where you can create the events and then get the registration done. So this is also one of the popular platforms. Marketing, you can see here, Facebook Marketplace, LinkedIn Marketplace, HubSpot, and so on. And customer support portals, so SurveyMonkey and Zendesk. So it has integration with almost all the kind of applications which are available today, be it e-commerce platform, marketing platform, remote work, or any communication platform. So hope this video has helped you to understand what is Monday.com. So if you want to subscribe to Monday.com, there is a special link which I have provided in the description. You can get a special discount for that. So see you in next video. Take care and goodbye.